Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Lumax AutoTechnologies. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Lumax Auto with target price of Rs 406 on expectation of improvement in product mix, rise in content per vehicle and expansion of growth opportunity on consolidation of IACI's business. Acquisition of IACI offers multiple synergies and opportunity to diversify revenue stream with increase in content per vehicle. Further, current order book stands at Rs 900 crore and 65% of the order book is constituted by passenger vehicles. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 15.6 times its FY25 earning estimates. Next on radar is Marico Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on Marico with a price target of Rs 645. The company's domestic business is expected to deliver volume-led growth and market share gains across portfolio in FY24, while international business is expected to maintain double-digit growth momentum. Food business will contribute Rs 850 crore by FY24, while digital brands are likely to contribute Rs 450 crore by FY24. For the medium to long term, the company has maintained its guidance of 13 to 15% revenue growth in domestic business with a volume growth of 8 to 10%. Parachute portfolio is likely to grow by 5 to 7%. VAHO portfolio is likely to grow in double digits and premium personal care portfolios are expected to deliver double-digit value growth. Gross margins and operating profit margins are expected to improve by 200 to 250 bips and by 100 bips respectively in FY24, aided by easing raw material prices, aggressive cost management and favorable mix. Management has maintained operating profit margin guidance of 19% over the medium term. The stock trades at 41.9 times its FY24 estimated EPS and 36.2 times its FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.